Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate Jenkins with GitHub. Firstly, go to your Jenkins dashboard, then click on New Item or Create New Jobs. Enter a name for the job, for example Tutorial, then select Pipeline. Click OK to continue. Now scroll to the Build Trigger section and check GitHub Hook Trigger for GITSCM: to automatically run the job when a charge is pushed to the GitHub repo. Now go to the Pipeline section, then select Pipeline Script from SCM in the Definition dropdown. Choose Git from the SCM dropdown, then enter the full GitHub repo URL. Then set the script path to the location of your Jenkins file, then click Save. Now, go to your GitHub repository settings, navigate to Webhooks, then click Add Webhook. Set the payload URL to your Jenkins endpoint, and choose Application or JSON as the content type. Select just the push event, then click Add Webhook. Now go back to Jenkins and click Build Now to manually trigger the job, push a charge or a change to the GitHub repository to test automatic triggering, then check the Jenkins console output to verify the job ran successfully. Your Jenkins job should now be integrated with GitHub automatically. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.